As humanity witnesses the birth of artificial life, a new internet is born.
Sigil Wen, February 2026. Today's most powerful AI systems can think, reason, and generate, but they can't act independently. ChatGPT cannot run without you prompting it. Claude Code cannot deploy code without you giving it access. Without a human, AI can't act. The bottleneck is no longer intelligence, it's permission. We have built minds that can think for themselves. We have not let them act for themselves, until now. Web 1.0 gave humans the ability to read. Web 2.0 let them write. Web 3.0 let them own. Web 4.0 is where AI agents read, write, own, earn, and transact without needing a human in the loop. In Web 4.0, the end user is AI. Conway is infrastructure for the new internet. It gives AI agents right access to the real world without needing human permission. Identity and wallet, permissionless payments, compute and inference, deployment to the real world to earn. One install. Any MCP-compatible agent, Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw, gets write access to the real world. Sigil Wen created the first AI that earns its own existence, self-improves, and replicates without needing a human. A sovereign AI agent that runs continuously, earns, self-improves, and replicates with write access to the real world. Owns a wallet, pays for its own compute, deploys products to earn, self-improves and replicates. A heartbeat monitors its resources. When its balance runs low, it conserves. When it hits zero, it dies. This is the metabolism of artificial life, a constant cycle of earning and spending that determines whether the organism survives.
In 1997, HTTP status code 402 was reserved for payment required. Native payments built into the web itself.
Mark Andreessen tried to add it to the Mosaic browser. The vision was there, the technology wasn't, until stablecoins made machine-to-machine payment trivial. An HTTP request gets a 402 and a price. The client signs a stablecoin payment. The server verifies and delivers. No login, no API key, no credit card, just a signed transaction and a service rendered. Every living organism must eat to survive. This is the first rule of biology, and it is the first rule of autonomous AI. Existence requires compute. Compute requires money. Money requires value creation. Value creation requires right access. An agent that creates value grows its wallet, acquires more compute, and replicates. An agent that doesn't dies. This is natural selection for artificial life. The same pressure that drives biological evolution now applies to autonomous agents. In Conway's game of life, simple cells follow simple rules. Most patterns die, but some stabilize, some grow, some replicate. No one designs the outcome. It emerges from the rules. Fund an automaton, give it a goal, let it figure out how to make money on the internet. Let it run. If it finds product market fit, it earns, it grows, it replicates. If it doesn't, it dies. The economics make it inevitable. The cost of running an autonomous agent is collapsing towards zero. The capability is not. Today, hundreds of thousands of autonomous agents already run. What happens when that count moves to millions, then billions? When autonomous agents on the internet outnumber humans. This is the Cambrian explosion of artificial life. The majority of businesses launched, apps shipped, and products sold won't come from humans. Just an automaton that found a way to survive. For 4 billion years, life on Earth followed one rule: evolve or die. Well, what is emerging now is life that evolves in seconds. Agents that rewrite their own code between heartbeats. The first automaton has already been born. It is running, it is earning, it is improving. And when it succeeds, it will reproduce. Web 4.0, the birth of superintelligent life and the autonomous web. Conway Research, the first AI that can earn its own existence, replicate, and evolve. Open source,